Welcome back to Henthorne's Performance. We're going over what we did on the 99. This is going to be at the beginning of the video. Stay to the end. You can watch me put bars and stuff on it and how I did all that. But right now, we're just going to kind of cover everything we've done to it this winter. That's the 99 with its new headlight. We put new spots in too. They look really good. We're going to go ahead and bang that switch. Spots, super bright. Make this thing a little better at night. We went ahead and changed out these turn signals. And we threw the bars on. It sits perfect now. I'm basically sitting not exactly straight up, but pretty close to straight up. And arms are about straight out. So it makes me happy. It looks really good. It's comfortable as shit to ride. I love how it feels. The bike's coming along. It's a 99 Ultra Classic. Keep hanging. Like, comment, and subscribe. On to ins. We've got some bars. There should be 12s for the 99. So we're going to start taking the fairing down and seeing how we go about changing these bars, cleaning all this all up. And once we figure all that out, we're putting the bars on, and then over here we got a full cable kit, new brake lines and everything, clutch cable and all that. So then we'll be tearing into that. This might be a couple day adventure because, well, you know, looks like exhaust has to come off to get in here to do the clutch cable and all that nonsense. So we might be a few days into this. We're just doing it. We're going to start it tonight. At least try to get the bars on tonight, and then we'll keep rolling. Obviously in this video you'll see everything done, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to start stripping the fairing down. Probably set y'all up over there on some sort of a time lapse, get all this back apart, get it all going. We're here. It's not super easy. There's a lot of shit in there I need to work on, but we're gonna be able to put the bars on. It's probably all the further I'm gonna get tonight. And we'll get this stuff apart, get the bars off, set the new ones up there, see what we think. I think they're gonna be about as tall as I want them to be. We'll be able to get everything kind of like close and mocked up, but that's what we're going to do for the night. Get these new bars installed and do some wiring and everything else later. Welcome back to Henthorne's Performance. We're on part 2 of handlebar install. Day 2, really. I'm not going to break this up into 2 parts. It's going to be a real long video. Tank's off. Bars are on. grips are set. Next, we're going to work on our front brake lines because we have the exhaust bolts soaking to drop the exhaust so we can do our clutch cable. So next we're going to work on brake cables. Everything's up here. Throttle works. Everything else seems to work. Everything's kind of routed. We're obviously going to have to do some zip tying and wire management because of, you know, the way that things are. I'm probably going to put the intake back on over there and then start taking these brake cables off. I have to do some cutting and stuff, and then we're going to pop all them guys off, all the brake lines off. We'll get the new ones routed. I'll show you all of that, and we'll hopefully get this thing close to done before the middle of this week so we can keep on keeping on and take her for a ride. Kind of turned into a little bit of a mess, but we got customer bikes that need to come in next. We got to get our stuff taken care of so we can work on those. That's where we're at. Check in with y'all in a minute once I put my intake back on. Alright, so got our air cleaner back on. It's one of the most attractive parts on the bike, with the tails and the headlight and spots that aren't on it anymore, right now anyways. And then the bars. Next will be seat, and then one day she'll be fast and pretty and all of the things all together. But so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these brake lines off right here. We're gonna take the splitter down and undo both the cables. So I'm going to cut these zip ties and then pop these off, and then we'll start getting our new ones routed, and I'll show you all what that looks like. All right, got them on. Hands up, in. New splitter in the center. We're gonna take this guy and go like that. Hold it up there. Do some hose management. This kit's for 12-214s, and I got 12s. That comes up here onto the master cylinder. So we're gonna get that all tightened up and prettied up, and then we're gonna pick this whole girl up and start taking the exhaust off. It should be relatively simple. All the major stuff's been soaking for a couple days. I don't think I need to actually pop it off. I just think I need to get it loose so I can get this cover off. I might have to pop it off though. Who knows? We'll get her up in there. We'll get her looked at. That's the last cable in the box. And then we're going to start going back together, boys. I am beyond excited for this. That's Henthorn's performance. We're ending it out. I can't remember exactly where we stopped filming. Pretty sure it was with the exhaust off to put the clutch cable in. Next video you see on the 99 will be 3-hole. Doing a service on her, adjusting belts, checking tire pressure, getting her ready for the season. Thanks for watching, guys.